Hey everyone, got a nice song here. It's another French song, and I did it on my last live stream. I guess it was last Sunday. I played a bunch of French songs. Go check it out if you like. It's about minute 28, I guess. I play through it, and I think I'd only printed out the sheet music that morning, so it's not a virtuoso performance at all. Charles Avenue, I guess that's how you say his name, Avenue. Excuse me if I said it wrong. But he's a nice singer. I like the way he sings. I made a few changes to the chart based on a live performance. And so I will make some notations on the chart there. And of course, the chart's down there in the description. It starts off with a little introduction here. That's a 2-5-1, 2, 5, 5, you say. Yes, 5, because it's a substitute. This is tritone substitution for a D7th. So let's just play D7. Vocalists always change the rhythms of the melodies because you can deliver the words better if you alter the rhythm. A lot of times these songs were, the music was written by one person and the lyrics were written by somebody else, and the singers will then take the two things, they take the melody and the words, and they put them together, and they know how to deliver the message of the song. And sometimes the rhythm of the lyrics just doesn't make sense, so they have to make a little adjustments. And I think here it's just more steady. Those are triplets, 1 and 2 and like that. It's got quarter note triplets, you'd say that. And chord just says G here, but G major 7th. And then do alternating bass if you can. Change to G6 there. Back to major 7th, not G7th. And we're still on G6 there, not E minor. And then go right to the A7th. Now, you've got like 3 bars here where there's nothing going on except a very slow chord change. So you got to add something in here. I would not suggest doing what I did because it didn't seem to really work. Yeah, the chord, it's walking up like this. That's the basic thing. That's called a walk up. But nothing seems to really fit on that B minor chord. It's just something like that, maybe. Like that, okay? And then we have to come in with that melody on that last chord. So let's try it one more time. And that E doesn't quite fit. Well, how can we make this work? Darn it. That's it. We'll do those quarter note triplets in the 4th measure there. So we got 1 measure of A. Make it a major 7th. And then here, it kind of sounds like A minor and D. And maybe even just a D7th. To the B7th. And there, the rhythm kind of stops a little bit, and you just kind of walk it up slowly. Like that. A little different now. Now here it almost sounds like it's doing the same verse again, but it really heads off in a different direction, and the melody note is different, so. And then here we have a real quick walk up. Like that, see? All right, so this part is chromatic, and this part is almost chromatic. And, you know, it's a... All right, and, you know, it's a popular thing in songs, like don't get around much anymore. Now, we're back to the melody, and I believe now it's going to be the same as in the beginning, so we'll call this the A section. So we end up in the same place. I think it is exactly the same here. A little bit different there. No, that's the same. You know, you could make that a D chord. That's kind of what I heard on that recording. Either way, it's a little awkward. Yeah, do the one you like best. And this is like the B section again. And there's our 2-5-1 again. Just like the beginning. And there is a second page to this, but I don't think there's anything really new on it. And to me, this is the form of the song. It's like A, B, A, and then a slightly different B, slightly shorter B. So A, B, A, C, I guess. All right, I don't know who wrote it. If I figure out who that is, I'll put it in the description. And, you know, it's a nice song. It's doesn't really sound like jazz, but you could kind of make it in, you know, play it in the jazz style. It's not, I wouldn't really call it a swing or bebop or anything like that. You know, it's more of maybe like kind of a Broadway kind of sound. I like the song though. And I really love the way he sung it. So there you go. And English version and French version. Oh, hit the like button.